Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, this is Vivek, and in this video I talk about highly recommended channels, YouTube channels who actually helped for beginners who starts their journey to learn English recently. So guys, watch this video till in, and I want to suggest you some channels, right? So let's start. Guys, this channel is very helpful for me also, and also helpful for another beginners who recently start to learn English. That first channel is, guys, English Connection, right? You know Kanchan Kesri ma'am. That channel is very good, guys. I would like to appreciate, and this channel is incredible, guys, right? So must follow this channel, and if you are beginner and you want to be fluent in English, right? Then after in English Connection, guys, second channel is that I am following and improving my English, that Alina Rez. You know Aleena ma'am. Ma'am's channels is very helpful for those people who want to fluent in English, and improve their communication skills, and improve vocabs, and their pronunciations, and so many. Guys, Aleena ma'am is very helpful for beginners who start their journey, right? So must follow. Link in given in description, right? And after that, guys, I follow English Conversation channel, which is also helpful, and which is very good channel for beginners. And after, guys, after these three channels, there are so many lots of channels who helps beginners a lot, but I follow personally these three channels, and I see the difference in myself, and my English is improving gradually. So I recommend these three channels. And if you like this video, then hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, right? See you in next video. Till now, bye bye.